Today, we'll discuss what the markings on our bandsaw blade mean. We can find up to 6 different specifications on it. Bandsaw blade width. This specification refers to the width of the strip from which the bandsaw blade is made. The width is measured from the back edge of the strip to the tip of the teeth. The selected width depends on whether we want to make straight cuts or cut curves and shapes. Wide blades are suitable for straight cuts, while narrow blades are better for cutting curves and shapes. Bandsaw blade thickness. The thickness of the bandsaw blade refers to the thickness of the metal strip from which the bandsaw blade is made. Installing a bandsaw blade that is too thick on a saw with small wheels shortens the blade's lifespan. So how should you select the correct bandsaw blade thickness? Measure the diameter of the wheel on which the blade will be mounted and divide this value by 500. The resulting number represents the maximum recommended blade thickness to use without overloading or stressing the bandsaw blade. For bandsaws with wheel diameters below 350 mm, use blades with a maximum thickness of 0.65 mm. Bandsaw blade length. This specification refers to the length of the welded bandsaw blade. It is measured in millimeters. The required length is specified by the bandsaw manufacturer. This value is fixed, so if you order a bandsaw blade with a different length, the blade will not fit your machine. We custom weld our bandsaw blades, so we can provide a blade in any length you need. Teeth per inch. This parameter refers to the tooth size and the distance between the tips of the teeth. In our industry, the standard expression of this specification is the number of teeth per inch, where 1 inch equals to 0.54 centimeters. The lower the number, the larger the teeth. The selected TPI depends on what material you intend to cut. Large teeth are suitable for cutting large diameters, such as solid lugs, beams and thick boards. Medium teeth are ideal for standard boards with a thickness of about 10 to 25 millimeters. Fine teeth are best for cutting thin boards, laminate, and plywood up to 10 millimeters thick. Tooth shape. This specification refers to the tooth geometry, which is determined by the manufacturer. It is fixed and directly related to the tooth pitch for a given bandsaw blade width, so it is not typically selected separately. For wood-cutting bandsaw blades, there are 3 basic types of teeth. Regular. The advantage of this geometry is a smooth, clean cut. Skip. This geometry is suitable for productive cutting and rough resawing. Hook. It is ideal for cutting hardwoods and other difficult-to-cut materials with larger diameters. QR code. The function of the QR code is the same on both the sticker and the label. Once you scan the code with your phone's camera, you will be automatically redirected to the Simon's online store, where the specific product will be added to your cart. Then, simply select the quantity and complete the order.